everyone. Welcome back to English for All, the podcast where real life meets real English. I'm Roxy.
And I'm John. Super happy to have you here today. Grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's do this.
So, today we are going shopping in English.
We are talking about one of the most universal human experiences. Everybody shops. Clothes, shoes, accessories, and of course, the slightly uncomfortable moment when you have to ask, how much does this cost?
That moment. You pick up something you love, you turn over the price tag, and suddenly you need English fast.
Or you walk into a shop and a sales assistant comes straight at you with, "Can I help you?" And your mind goes completely blank.
We have all been there, and that's exactly what today's episode is for. By the time we're done, you'll know exactly what to say, whether you're browsing, trying something on, asking about the price, or looking for a better deal.
Real phrases, real situations, real progress.
And if you're enjoying the show, please hit subscribe and drop us a comment. We genuinely love hearing from you. Okay, let's go shopping.
Right. You've walked into a clothing store, maybe it's a boutique, maybe it's a big high street brand. Either way, within about 30 seconds, a sales assistant is going to approach you.
And the classic opener is, "Can I help you?" Or sometimes, "Are you looking for anything in particular?" Or even just, "Hi there, let me know if you need anything."
Now, there are two possible answers here. If you want help, great, you ask for it. But if you just want to browse, to look around without buying anything specific, you say,
"I'm just browsing, thank you." Or, "I'm just looking, thanks." Polite, simple, and the assistant will leave you alone.
browsing, to browse, means to look around a shop without a specific goal, just exploring. "I'm just browsing" is one of the most useful phrases you can have in a shopping context.
But if you do need help, you might say, "I'm looking for a jacket." "I'm looking for a pair of trousers in a size medium." "Do you have this in a different color?"
Do you have this in a different color? This one comes up all the time. You love the style, but maybe not the color. So you ask, and the assistant will either go and check or tell you, "I'm afraid that's the only color we have in stock."
In stock. Available in the shop right now. "We have it in stock." "I'm sorry, we're out of stock." Out of stock means they don't have it available. It's sold out.
Let's hear that in a dialogue.
"Hi there, welcome. Can I help you with anything today?"
Hi, yes, actually. I'm looking for a winter coat, something warm but not too heavy.
"Of course. We've got a great selection over here. Are you looking for a particular color?"
I like this dark green one. Do you have it in a size large?
"Let me check for you." "Yes, we have it in large. Would you like to try it on?"
Yes, please. That would be great.
The fitting rooms are just at the back, on the left. A great selection. A wide range of choices. We have a great selection of coats. Very natural phrase you'll hear in shops all the time.
Would you like to try it on? To try something on means to put it on your body to see if it fits and looks good. The fitting room, or changing room, is where you do this.
Both fitting room and changing room are correct. In American English, you'll often hear dressing room too. All the same thing, the little room where you try on clothes.
And notice how John said, something warm but not too heavy. This is a great way to describe what you're looking for, using qualities, not just a specific item. Something casual but smart. Something colorful but not too loud. Very natural.
Okay, you've taken a few items to try on. Now what?
Well, first, the fit. Does it fit? Fit means, does it match the shape and size of your body comfortably?
If it fits perfectly, you might say, "This fits really well." Or, "It's a great fit." Or simply, "I'll take it," which means, "I want to buy this."
But sometimes things don't fit, and you need to know how to explain that. It's too tight. Too tight means it's too small, too close to your body. You can't move comfortably.
It's too loose. The opposite. Too big, too baggy. It doesn't hold its shape on you.
It's a bit long. The sleeves are too short. The waist is too big. These are all very specific, very useful ways to describe a fit issue.
And then, the natural follow-up question. Do you have this in a size up? One size bigger. Or, do you have this in a size down? One size smaller.
A size up, a size down. Elegant, simple. Much better than saying, I need the next size, please.
Let's hear the fitting room in action. How are you getting on in there? Does everything fit okay?
The coat fits really well, actually. I love it. But the jumper I picked up is a bit too tight across the shoulders. Do you have it in a size up?
Absolutely. What size are you in at the moment?
I'm wearing a medium, but I think I need a large for this one.
I'll grab that for you right away. Anything else not working?
The jeans are a little long, but I think that's fine. I can always have them altered.
Good idea. A tailor can take care of that easily. I'll be right back with that jumper.
How are you getting on? A really natural British English phrase. It means, how's it going? How are things progressing? You'll hear this in shops, at work, in everyday life.
Have them altered. To alter a piece of clothing means to change its size or shape. A tailor is a professional who makes and adjusts clothes. I need to get these trousers altered. Very useful to know.
And I'll grab that for you. Grab, in this context, means to go and get something quickly. I'll grab a large for you. Casual, friendly, fast.
Section 3. And for many learners, this is the most nerve-wracking part. Talking about money.
But it doesn't need to be. There are just a handful of phrases you need, and once you know them, it becomes second nature.
Second nature. Something that feels completely natural, almost automatic. Like riding a bike. You don't think about it anymore, you just do it.
First, how much is this? The simplest, most direct way to ask the price. You can point at the item, hold it up, or just ask at the till. The till is the cash register where you pay.
You can also say, how much does this cost? Or, what's the price of this? All correct, all natural.
And if you're looking at something on a rail and there's no visible price tag, could you tell me how much this is, please? A little more formal, but very polite.
Now, what if the price is higher than you expected? What if it's out of your budget?
Out of your budget. More expensive than you can afford or want to spend. This is a bit out of my budget.
You might ask, do you have anything similar but a bit less expensive? Or, is there a sale on at the moment? A sale is when a shop reduces its prices, usually by a percentage. Everything is 20% off.
Percent off. A reduction in price. This jacket is 30% off. That means if it was £100, you now pay $70.
And a great phrase for when you spot a good deal. That's a bargain. A bargain is something you buy at a much lower price than usual. I got these boots for half price. What a bargain.
Let's hear the price conversation now. Excuse me, how much is this coat?
That one is £149, but it's actually in our sale. It was $199.
Oh, nice. So it's reduced. And what about the jumper?
The jumper is £65. Full price, I'm afraid. It only came in last week.
Okay, I think I'll go with the coat. That's a great price for the quality.
It really is. It's one of our best sellers. Are you paying by card or cash?
By card, please.
Perfect. I'll meet you at the till. It's reduced. The price has been lowered. This item is reduced from 80 to £50.
Full price. The original, non-discounted price. I paid full price for this, meaning there was no sale, no discount.
It's one of our best sellers. The items that sell the most. This bag is our best seller this season. Great phrase to recognize when a shop assistant uses it.
Paying by card or cash. You'll hear this at almost every till in the world. Card means a credit or debit card. Cash means physical money, notes, and coins. All right, let's bring it all together. Today was a genuinely practical episode, and you should feel really good about what you've covered.
Let's do our final recap. These are the phrases to take away with you today.
In the shop. I'm just browsing, thank you. I'm looking for... Do you have this in a different color? Is this in stock?
In the fitting room. It's too tight, too loose. Do you have this in a size up? This fits really well. I'll take it.
Asking about prices. How much is this? Is there a sale on? Do you have anything less expensive? That's a bargain.
And at the till. I'll pay by card. Is it reduced? What's the discount?
Now, here's a little challenge for you this week. Next time you go shopping, online or in a real shop, try to think about these phrases. If you're online, describe what you see in English. This jacket is too expensive. This color is nice, but I prefer blue.
Even saying it quietly to yourself counts. Because language lives in the body, the more you say it, the more natural it becomes.
You are already improving. Every episode you listen to, every phrase you repeat, every sentence you try, it all adds up. We are so proud of the work you're putting in.
Now, our community question. And this one is fun.
Tell us in the comments, are you a big shopper or do you hate shopping? And what's the last thing you bought? Tell us in English, just 1 or 2 sentences.
Something like, I love shopping for shoes. The last thing I bought was a blue dress. Simple. Perfect. We want to read yours.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. If this episode helped you, share it with a friend who's learning English. It could make a real difference for them.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep going, and enjoy your shopping. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.